Hi all, welcome to this series of intro questions front end every day with a vision to make each day better by taking small step. So, I'm very happy to share with you question 25 in this series. And today's question is something which I came to know only recently. Okay, maybe many people would have thought, may have wondered how it works, but let us see today how it works actually. So in JavaScript in if condition, different data types work. You know that we already saw in one of the interview questions, means true, truthy value, zero means falsy value, and all those, right? How the JavaScript interprets one as true and zero as false. How this happens? Because you can in the inside the if condition you can put any data type. You can put a array, you can put a object, anything you can put, right? You can put a NaN or a null or undefined, anything you can put. But how JavaScript, because you know in a if condition only Boolean will work. True or false only will work. How this value becomes converted to true or false, a Boolean value, so that the JavaScript can execute the if condition statement. So we will see today. So we all know this, right? If of one means if of one means it is true, so it means true and it will execute whatever it is inside the inside the if condition. And likewise for array and empty array and empty object is all true. But if you have a empty string, it means false. So the whatever you have put inside the if condition will not execute. Likewise for 0 and NaN, null and undefined. So let us see how JavaScript evaluates this one as a Boolean true so that it is able to execute the statements available inside the if statement. Okay. So it is very simple. Okay. What really happens? It is very simple. So what it does is, okay, whatever you put inside the if statement, it tries to convert as Boolean. If you put Boolean of 1, if you give a value 1 inside if statement, it converts it into a Boolean and it is true. So it executes that statement. Likewise for this empty object, true, empty, empty object. Okay, empty object. Previously it was array. It is true. And if you put empty string, it will be false. So you need not by heart what will be the value for the statements or for the data types you give inside the if statement. You can very well do a boolean of that value to find out what will be the boolean value of the data type, the value you provide inside the if statement, right? Boolean of NaN is false. Okay. Likewise, boolean of null, undefined, and the boolean of 0, right? That is also false. So this only happens actually. This concept is called type cohesion. So the JavaScript converts into its Boolean value. Whatever you value provide inside the if statement, it does a Boolean type cohesion to a Boolean value so that it can execute the condition. Okay, evaluate the condition. Okay, hope this you understood this. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.